Hi guys, Venkatesh here. Welcome to the next tutorial. We're going to start using the Eclipse IDE today and run the same program we wrote in the last tutorial. I'll also go through why it's preferable to use an IDE over a standard text editor and using the command line. So let's begin by opening the Eclipse IDE. Let's keep the default workspace. You might want to tick the box not to ask this question again, and launch. Okay, now let's create our first program. So go over here and click on Create a New Java Project. Enter the name for the project, First Program. Leave everything else as it is on the screen. Click Next, untick this box, and click Finish. Okay, now over here is the project resources. So expand this, and expand this also. You can see here there's various packages available from the JDK that we can use to develop a Java program. Okay, let's go ahead and create our first class. So right click here, New and Class. Enter the class name Hello World, just as we did in our previous tutorial. Now down here, tick this box to auto-generate the public static void main, and then click Finish. As you can see here, it's auto-generated the code for us. That's one of the benefits of using Eclipse. You'll notice there's certain keywords that are highlighted in different colors. So public, class, static void. If we come down here, you can see the console. This is where the actual output is produced, just like on the command line. And any errors that are shown at compile time will be shown here in this Problems tab. So at the moment, if we try to run the program, there won't be any output. So let's go up here, delete this, and let's copy and paste the code from the previous tutorial, system.out println, and just here. Next, let's run the program. You can go up here, click on Run, and then Run again, or just come here and click this button here, the green play button. That's the same thing as run. So click on this. Okay, down here you'll see on the console is output Hello World. Okay, that's it. That's your first program run in Eclipse. Okay, I just want to go over some of the benefits of using Eclipse. I won't go through all of them. There are many, and as I go through the tutorials in the course, I'll explain them in more detail. Now, if you remember from the previous tutorial, I showed how the error was generated and how you won't know until you compile the actual program that these errors are actually shown. However, in the Eclipse IDE, it actually shows you the error before you actually compile by underlining the error in red. And also, if you look to the left of here, you'll see a light bulb with an actual red cross. Just hover over that and it will show you the type of error and how it might be resolved, and sometimes how you can resolve it. Okay, let's just put this back as it was before. Up here, let's generate the same error as we did in the previous tutorial by changing this to an uppercase P. Okay, immediately you can see the color has changed from the purple. It's also underlining it as red. So it's no longer a keyword either. Okay, well, let's change that back. Eclipse also keeps your indentations. So in the other text editors, simple text editor, you won't actually keep your indentation. You won't recognize the beginning of a method, and so Eclipse does that for you. Another common error that you will come across is missing braces. And let me just show you what happens. Okay, see how it highlights in red? Also, if you go over with the red circle, it also just suggests what the error is and how it can be resolved. Okay, that's all I want to cover in this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll talk about variables in Java. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoy the video, please hit subscribe and the like button. And I'll see you in the next video.